New on 2 this morning, a home that survived the Moore tornado goes up in flames. Check it out. This was the scene Friday as firefighters were trying to put out those flames before it spread to other homes. As you can see, this area of town was already heavily damaged by the May 20th tornado. Firefighters weren't able to get into the house because of storm damage. Crews actually had to use a giant ladder spraying water on the flames from above. Now, luckily, no one was home at the time of the fire. Officials are now investigating to try and figure out how that fire started.